Alright, this is Terrence Hugh, and this is the second iteration of the CSTR first order system analyzer for CE380 at Cal State LA. This was developed by myself again with Walter Carrera and Adrian Castro. So we'll go ahead and jump right into it. We'll go ahead and start the GUI here. You can see there's a lot of new features that have been added. I'll go over them really quickly. So the initial order is the same, so you'll go ahead and browse for your file, but once it's loaded here, you'll notice you have this window here, which is actually the initial concentration. So now you can specify initial concentration. A few other options: you can choose the total time of analysis, the analysis interval, and we now have a line plot. So you can select which reactor you'd like to highlight, and it'll show up in red on the line plot. So let's go ahead and open up one file. It's the same CSTR file we had from before. We're going to go ahead and set the initial concentration. So instead of them being set at 0, let's do 7, 9, 10, maybe 15, so we can see a change there. Total time we'll go ahead and set at 5,000. Analysis interval 0.1, and let's see what reactor 2 does. Okay, so we'll go ahead and execute. You can see it's plotting back there, and here we are. So this is the same reactor diagram that we have here. Next, you'll see in this next tab we have the bar plot. So those are the reactor concentrations at the specified time here. We also have a line plot as well. So you can see that all the initial concentrations are reflected here, and we specified the line plot to highlight reactor 2, which is this one here, which we specified at 9 milligrams per liter, which starts off at 9 there. So you guys might be wondering what this movie tab is. This is actually going to give us a playback of the bar plot plotting. And what you can do is actually, when the analyzer is done analyzing the system, the play button will go ahead and enable, and you can go ahead and click on that. And you'll see a change in concentrations for each of the reactors. And this video runs about 30 seconds. Now you'll notice the concentrations are slowly growing and decaying, and this is because they are actually all trying to reach steady state. And there you are. That's the end of the analysis for this set time interval, and we have all the same values as our bar plot here. Well, slightly different, but let's see. Now, you can do the same, or you can edit the text file as well, so you can go ahead and go here and change your concentrations if you like. Oh, let's go down this way. Say 30, maybe 50. And we can go ahead and set this time interval just a little bit higher. We'll go ahead and execute again. And now, once it says done there, you'll see that the new concentrations are reflected here. So that's the bar plot with the new concentrations and the line plot. So as you can see, the range has gone up quite a bit. So because we made changes to our file, we can actually go ahead and save the file. And just like last time, just say CSTR new, and that'll be saved for future reference if need be. You can go ahead and clear out if you want to clear everything out again. And that ends this tutorial. Thank you very much.